0 to 60 car videos here today with a 2012 Fiat 500 pop version. I'm just showing you how to change the battery on this. This is a no start on its own, will start with jump. So we're going to go ahead and take a 13 millimeter and take off this bolt right here. You are going to need a long extension as the socket wrench is not going to fit down in this hole that very well. We're going to completely unscrew this until this little block comes off. It doesn't necessarily have to come all the way off, but as long as you can get it to where this block comes up and will swing out of the way, that way the battery will come out. Okay, so I have it screwed all the way out. It's just going to set this to the side, and then we'll take these bolts off here. These are 10 millimeter. So as you can see, it's going to be hard to get a 10 mil on this side, but if you flip this little switch from the computer here, pull that yellow tab out and pull this to the right, the computer will unplug to allow this to turn enough for you to get a socket on it. So then you just bust them loose with a 10 millimeter. I found the 1/4 inch works best, 1/4 inch drive. That way you can actually fit in here and get these off. And this one is a little bit tricky, like I said, but you might have to take that computer plug off, but then it should come right off. And then, once you have these out of the way, you should be able to pull the battery straight out. And then you just do the same steps in reverse to put the new one back in. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.